This video is going to show you a little bit about what you have to do when you're creating a Java object. So we're going to do a Java object called puppies. Just double click to open the code. Always put your name and a date in here, or a version number. And now we're to the point where we are going to start using some of this default code that Java starts us with. So up here in this area is our instance variables. These are where we start doing some of the attributes of our object. So we can reuse this one that Java has started with us, and maybe we'll do the age of our puppy. And let's do a different type of data. We'll do the color. And you could do breed. Anything that you want to represent about your real-world object should go here. We're going to keep our default constructor. We're not going to initialize any variables in this. We'll just make it an empty constructor, which is fine. And then let's play with a couple methods. So let's do age. We'll age the puppy by a year. And because we're going to age it by a known value, we don't need to give the method any input. And because it's a mutator, we don't need to return anything about the object. So all we're going to do in here is use our instance variable, which is age, and we're going to increase it by 1. It's that simple. And because we've changed the fact that we're not returning anything and we don't need any input parameters, these two lines can go away. We don't have to talk about those. And then we'll just say here what this does, and it increases a puppy's age by 1 year. All right, let's do one more where we just set the color of the puppy. So we'll copy and paste this down. So we'll just do one more method. Control. Actually, we'll do two more. We'll do a set and a get. So the setter is just going to change something. So this won't return anything. And we'll call this set color. Now, if we're going to set something and it's not by a known value, we have to tell Java what we're going to set it to. And we're always going to set the instance variable. So double check what you called it. We called it color. And it's clear you want to make the parameter that's coming in a different variable name than your instance parameter. I always just do color in because it's my input, and it's my instance variable is equal to my input variable. So if I called now a puppy.setColor with brown, this instance of the puppy would change my instance variable to brown. We'll do one more where we will get information. So let's do get breed. So just like you have things on like rectangle where you get width, get height, something needs to be written so you can get it. So you're at the point now where we're writing the methods that will get us information on objects that you want to represent. So we don't need to give Java any input. We do need to return something, and it's the type of what you're returning. So we know the breed was a string, so I'm returning a string. And we just do a return breed. And that's it. Let's just make sure I don't have any syntax errors. We're good.